Hi, this is John Stewart, and this is how to use moss to find your direction. Most of the time when you get lost, you can easily look for moss. Moss grows in several different places, but the place that you want to look for it is on the base of trees, okay? If you can find some moist, damp forest areas where it's really cool, muggy, and stuff like that, you'll definitely find moss growing. Look at the base of trees, and the moss is going to be growing on the roots and about up to 3 feet on the base of the trees. You'll notice that when you look around the tree, it's only growing on one side, and that's the south side. It never grows on the northern side of the tree. This is because it doesn't get the light and other things that it needs, and nutrients normally flow to the south. So you got to find the south side of the tree and just look for moss, and you'll be able to find your way and go north, south, east, or west at that point. So if you can find a tree in a cool, muggy area, look for moss, and that'll be able to help you point your direction. This is how to use moss at the base of a tree to find your directions.